So if you enjoyed my easy fun night recipe video that I posted earlier this year, then you are going to love how I do ramen night. The crazy part is I never even been to a ramen restaurant, but I love recreating stuff at home. So let me show you how I do it. So I'm starting with some shrimp that I seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, and some sesame oil, and I'm just going to saute those in a pan. In that same pan, I'm going to saute up some mushrooms, and I didn't season these. I just let them cook in whatever flavor was left over from the shrimp. I also went ahead and steamed some broccoli and boiled a couple of eggs. For my noodles, I'm keeping it resourceful and easy. I'm just going to use these merchan noodles, and I just boil those for a few minutes until they get al dente, and then I remove them from the water and put them in a bowl to the side. So for my broth, I usually like to use beef broth, but I didn't have any. I barely even had chicken broth, y'all, so I'm using what I have left. And then I also added in a little bit of this Better Than Bouillon roasted beef base, and then I just filled the rest with water. I seasoned it with garlic powder and onion powder, and I also used the seasoning pack from the noodles. I'm making like 2 to 3 servings, so I used a pack of the soy sauce flavor and the beef flavor. You can use whatever flavor and use as little or as much as you want. Just tailor it to your palate. Like my pho recipe, this is not traditional or authentic, but this is just what I came up with after doing a little research and tailoring it to what I enjoy. So we also had a little leftover steak from the night before, so I went ahead and reheated that, and I'm just going to slice it up. Now it's time to assemble everything. So I have my noodles in a bowl. I added that sliced steak. I'm going to add a little of the shrimp, the mushrooms, the broccoli. I also sliced my boiled egg in half and added it, and then I'm going to ladle some of that hot broth on top. You can add as little or as much broth as you want. It's your preference, and this is how it turned out. I also garnished it with some fresh green onions, some furikake, as well as some chili crisp oil, and oh my god, y'all, it's so good. Like I said, I never even been to a ramen place, but at this point I don't even need to go because look at the material. This ramen is flavorful, it's filling, it's comforting, and it's a fan favorite in my household. But y'all try it out and let me know what you think. Bye.